Hello, carpet cleaners. For those of you that don't know me, my name's John Williams. I am the CEO of a company called HEB, or Add to Grow Business, and we specialize in digital marketing for the carpet cleaning industry. We have worked with hundreds and hundreds of carpet cleaners across the USA and worldwide, and we continue to do so. Over the last 12 months alone, we've spent over $2 million on paid advertising for carpet cleaners. So we really know exactly what works, what doesn't. We've tested literally everything. And I personally believe there isn't another company on this planet that has spent as much as we have, that has done as much testing as we have, that has run as many carpet cleaning paid advertising campaigns as we have. I simply want to give back to the carpet cleaning community as much free value as I humanly can. So let's dive in. First of all, I started to look at, maybe studying, going back to school and start just trying like a completely different career. But at that age, going to college, back to university, and having to take a massive pay cut or to get huge student loans at that age, it's almost impossible to do that. And even if you did that, you're then going to be competing with kids half your age for internship jobs or low-level jobs. And even if you get that far and you do get something, there's no guarantee that you're going to actually like it, and it could end up being worse than what you're doing now. And just more to the point, it would involve taking a massive pay cut, and it would take years to climb the ladder again to get to that point where you were financially comfortable. So a new career in the traditional sense was never ever going to happen. It was just, it was just not possible. So then I started to look at different online business opportunities, things like selling stuff on Amazon and stuff like that. But again, trying to sell 50,000 iPhone cases, made in China on Amazon for $5 a pop didn't exactly turn me on either, to be brutally honest with you, right? And then I kind of stumbled upon the marketing agency business model, and it really resonated with me. All businesses, especially local businesses, they need to generate customers and stuff like that. A lot of, especially service-based businesses, they're very skillful with their hands and stuff, but maybe not so good with technology. Everybody has their skills, do you know what I mean? Some people are better at some things than others. And so I could totally grasp the concept that a local business would pay somebody to set up some ads or to run some advertising for them if it meant that it was going to generate them a lot of new business, right? It would be completely worth the money if it was going to generate them thousands of dollars of new customers. And the overheads of starting a business like this is pretty small. You need a laptop, some software. It was more to do with education and actually knowing how to do it and actually how to get a result and stuff like that. So I was like, wow, I was blown away by this. And I was also blown away by the freedom that a business like this would afford. You could literally work from anywhere in the world, from your laptop. You could work from home. You could be your own boss. I wouldn't have to put up with any shit from any of these nasty people. I wouldn't have to ask permission if I needed to just pop to the dentist and I was going to be an hour late or anything like that. And that level of freedom for me, was so attractive, do you know what I mean? And I felt that this would be a business model that I could do, that was totally doable, that would allow me to do that. So I then spent the next year literally just learning, investing the money, the savings that I had to learn everything possible about digital marketing, about business, about sales, about setting up a company, about setting up an online company. And yeah, that's kind of what I did. In the beginning, I would be getting on calls with people from multiple different industries, real estate, legal, insurance, photographers, dentists, and it was all over the place, And then one of my mentors said, really you want to just focus on one industry, one niche. If you were a dentist and you were looking to hire a marketing agency, who would you rather hire? Just a general marketing agency or this marketing agency that specializes only in the dental industry? Of course, if you're a dentist, you're going to pick the dental specialist marketing industry, right? So it makes it a lot easier to attract people in that industry. It makes it a lot easier to sell, and it makes it a lot easier to scale the business as well, right? Because if you're able to crack the code on one industry and you figure it out and you know what works and how to get that industry results, you can then replicate that at scale, and you can have 100 clients, 200 clients, and you've got the campaign that works, and you can just roll that out for a large number of people, versus every time you get a new client, it's a new industry and you've got to completely figure everything out from scratch, and you've only got 30 days to do that, right? that would just be a nightmare. So it made sense to me to stick with the one industry. I was doing a lot of research. I was talking to a lot of people in a lot of different industries. And I kind of had this like brainwave, this light bulb moment. At this particular time, Messenger and automated messenger system chatbots, as they call it, were really starting to take off in the background. And I saw an opportunity where for an industry like carpet cleaners, currently, marketing would involve sending traffic to the website, and maybe then someone would click a button and then they would make a phone call, or they would fill in a form to make an inquiry on like a landing page or a website. And then the carpet cleaner has then got to then follow up with that lead manually, go home, get it up on the computer and call them up. The problem is that a lot of these guys are out in the field all day, right? Out there cleaning carpets, to then have to come home and then follow up with a big spreadsheet of leads that have been generated is a logistical nightmare. Furthermore, by the time they do follow up, a lot of those people may have gone and booked with somebody else. When it comes to marketing, the real success is when you follow up quickly. It's all about following up really rapidly, right? That's how you're going to get the best conversion. I actually do another video on that, so check that out. If you're a carpet cleaner looking to convert more inquiries to sales, I do have a video on that where I cover some awesome hacks, tips and tricks, so do check that out. But I could see the current techniques for marketing in those service-based industries like carpet cleaners, they weren't really that effective. And I could see how by connecting ads on Facebook to something like Messenger and an automated chatbot to actually have the conversation with the customer on autopilot and capture their details, how that could really revolutionize the cleaning industry and the carpet cleaning industry. Because now what would happen is people would click that ad, they'd come into Messenger, and it makes it so convenient for these guys to be able to follow up with the inquiries whilst they're out in the field, because they can just do it from there. Literally, it's going to pop up on their cell phone instantly, and they can just pop open Messenger and just follow up with that person, give them a price right then and there, right? And for the most part, a lot of the people may have gone through the automated process, and the carpet cleaner will already have the phone number, the email, the contact details, what they want to price on. It'll all be there, done for the carpet cleaner. They won't even need to have a conversation around all of that. Just be a simple case of following up with them, giving them a price and getting them scheduled in, and they'll be able to do that in Messenger on the go while they're out in the field. Super convenient, super easy, and super easy for the consumer as well, for the customer. And if you're new to this channel, you're new to this content, you're new to us, and you'd like to find out how we can help your carpet cleaning business too, the scheduler link's in the comments, and so is the website and stuff like that. Check us out, schedule a call. We'd love to hop on with you, share the screen, pop the hood on our system. We'll literally show you everything during a 60-minute consultation, and you can make a decision if you want to try and figure this out for yourself, or B, if you would like to work with us directly, and we'll do it for you and help you to take your carpet cleaning business to the next level. And I just want to end on this one simple thing. What I realized as I've gone on this journey as well is that in the beginning it was really about me trying to change my life and trying to find that freedom and stuff. But as we've had more and more success, it's really blown me away how this program has been able to be so impactful on people's lives and have such an impact on their businesses, that it's actually given me like a real purpose in life to know that we're helping so many carpet cleaning business owners and we're having such an impact with our program. It means the world to me. It really, really does. And so this has really gone beyond just that personal freedom now. This is really what gets me out of bed now in the morning every day, helping as many carpet cleaners as possible. And I'm on a mission to try and help as many carpet cleaners as possible as well. So yeah, if you'd like to find out about working with us, hit us up, schedule a time. We'd love to meet you. We'd love to show you what we can do. No obligations, of course. So yeah, that's my story, and I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.